to my channel. I'm Anusha. Thank you for joining with me. So this is my bare face right now because I am showing you a makeup look with my one and only favorite products. Like I am not talking about the makeup products, so today I'm talking about the brushes. So everyone asked me which brushes are good for self makeup, especially because I am, as a makeup artist, I use lots of brushes. So sometimes I don't need all brushes, I just need 2 or 3 brushes for my makeup. So that's why today I am going to be sharing with you brushes which I bought few days ago. So here is the brand, is GUBB. As you can see, this is the box, and I purchased from GUBB makeup brushes and hair dryer. So so now I'm showing it to you because first of all I am very much impressed about the packaging. So it's a cardboard packaging. So this is the package inside the box, and as you can see, this is all paper wrap kind of thing, which is very like cute, and its packaging is very good. And first I am showing you the hair dryer. This is the hair dryer, and it's a the color is very, I just love this color and the technique. As you can see, it's travel friendly also, and this is 1000 watt, so it will not damage your hair, so you can use this hair dryer. Now I am showing the brushes. So this is the 8 set of brushes from GUBB, and I am pretty much impressed about the like all brushes are very useful and we all need these brushes. So you can see this is very soft, like it's not very rough brush, so you can like it's very soft, so you can use it on your skin. It will very safe for your skin, so it will not damage your skin. So now let's get started. So I'll show you each and every brushes, how to use the brushes and how to do a makeup with all the brushes. So now let's get started. So I already applied toner, moisturizer and a lip balm. So if you want to know which product I'm using, so please check out my description box. So first I'm using this brush. This is a flat brush, as you can see, applicator. So first I'm applying the foundation with this brush. This is a very easy. Now using a beauty blender to blend all foundation. Now I'm applying a concealer, a very small amount. Now applying the powder. First I am applying the powder with the beauty blender for my under eye, because I don't like to use powder with a brush. But now I am using the brush, which is the polishing brush. As you can see, I just love this brush. Now I am just applying the powder all over my face. Oh wow, it's a very soft brush. So for any kind of makeup look, you don't need brushes for all types of products, like a contour or a highlighter or blush. So if you are pro about that, then you can use one brush for all uses. So now I am using the bronzer. I'm using the same brush for nose contour, and I don't need too much contour for my nose because I don't like the artificial look. For blush I'm using the same brush. So now I'm starting my eyebrows because my base are done, and I will apply the highlighter at the last moment. So first I am showing the spoolie. So you can brush your eyebrows with that, or you can just clean your eyelashes or separate your eyelashes after applying the mascara. Now I'm using the angular flat brush, so you can draw your eyebrow with that. The flat round brush. So with that I will highlight my eyebrows. So it's very simple. You can apply the eyeshadow for the eyelid with this brush. And you can see it's work very well. Doing the same thing with the other eyebrows. So I am done with my eyebrows, and now I'm moving on to the eyes, and for that I am using the same bronzer with this fluffy brush. It's a very easy peasy look, and by the way, this is my everyday makeup look. It's a very subtle glam look. Now with this brush, it's a very small brush for lower eye. Now I'm doing the same thing with other eye. Okay, now with the same brush, the same blending brush, I will apply the highlighter with that. So I will not use any deep highlighter because it's my everyday makeup look. And now I will apply a kajal. And just smudging it with my finger. You can smudge this with the brush, but sometimes fingers are also great tools for makeup. Okay, little bit. Okay, now it's done. Now for the mascara. Okay, so my eyes are done. Now for my lipstick. Okay, so my makeup is done. I don't need anything else. So this is the final look. Hope you guys love it. So this is the full makeup tutorial with my GUBB brushes, and I am just like impressed about the brand, because they are giving you the all 8 brushes with only the price $8.99. so you can buy this brush. The link is on my description box, and you will get a 10 to 40% discount. And it is my everyday look, everyday like subtle glam look. It's a little bit glowy, you can see the glow, and a little bit very subtle, and nothing. I did not apply any kind of eyeshadows or eyelashes. So this is for a day makeup look. If you're going for a party and on the daytime, then you can use this look. You can try this look. So this is the final look. Hope you guys like it. So guys, if you want more tutorial like this, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.